Hi everyone, it's Foodie Tracky here. I'll be making homemade HSB. HSB is also known as AB, atomic bond, meat in a box, meat on chips and snack pack. If you go to the actual kebab shop, it's going to cost you 13 bucks, 14 bucks. If you go with family, 4 people, if they get everyone orders a HSB, it's going to cost you about 50 bucks. Yeah, this way it's going to cost you very cheap. Lamb mince cost me about, I think, about 8 bucks a kilo, and the rest are all, you got your home ingredients anyway. So lamb mince you need, or you can use any other mince you want. 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. So what I'll be doing next step, mixing all these ingredients with my minced meat, and then I'll foil it up and keep it in the deep freezer overnight, and then tomorrow I'll show you guys the next day what I want to do. Salt goes in, cumin, black pepper, chili flakes. Oh yeah. So now you've got to mix them up. Always have your gloves on. So place it long ways. And then foil it up. Nice and stretch it, nicely stretched. And then grab this. So nice and stretch it out. So when you slice it, be nice kebab style. Just nice and tighten up, make circles around it, tighten that up. So that way it's nice and ready for the kebab tomorrow. As you can see. Place it in the freezer. Like that. And it's ready to go for tomorrow evening. Day 2, which is the next day. So what I'll do, I'll put some coals, straight cut chips. Already got the oven preheated. And I'll place these in the oven right now. So I've taken this out of the freezer, let it sit here for a good 20 minutes. So I've taken the plastic wrap off on the sides and have it like that, and then slice it up. So when you slice it, it's going to be like this. Nice and thin, like a kebab, and you just continue on doing the whole lot. After I sliced them all up, now I'll take this to the frying pan and then I'll place on top. Now I'll place it on the pan. place starter ones on the side, let it cook a bit more, and put some fresh ones on. And I'll continue doing this to the end, guys. Just making sure all the kebab's ready for the HSP. As you can see, place my kebabs there. The chips onto the plate. Bit more chips. The cheese, spread it nicely around, and then the kebab. Nice and hot, spread it around. Garlic sauce, chili sauce, this is the trilogy of all the sauces, and then the barbecue sauce. As you can see, HSP, homemade, ready to go, guys, ready to go to eat. Now we're here for the taste test. And the kebab. Oh yeah, nice and crunchy. Oh, it's worth it, guys.
Yes.
So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.